Good morning and welcome to the virtual 2022 Martin Luther King Jr Day Assembly. We are very lucky to be able to speak at today's assembly and are taking all the precautions to do so safely.
We created this video to honor Martin Luther King Jr. and the contributions he made to the civil rights movement. Although he is no longer with us, his messages about standing up against injustice and choosing love over war are sure to be true for centuries to come.
Martin Luther King Jr. was a civil rights activist who stood up for himself and other people of color in the 1960s. He spearheaded the March on Washington in the wake of violent attacks on civil rights protesters in Birmingham. He advocated for the Civil Rights Act to be passed in Congress, a piece of legislation which would outlaw discrimination on the basis of race, sex, religion, color, and national origin in public places. He taught the world that you have to take action and stand up for what you believe in.
The Black Lives Matter movement has existed for many years. The events that happened in the last few years brought the movement into the limelight, sparking political controversy about its intentions.
As you can see, racism is still a huge problem in not only our country, but also in our own community. Many students at our own school have experienced racism and discrimination due to the color of their skin. All along, we want to make sure that people feel safe and comfortable coming to school and being a part of our community. Junior Essence Fleming has created the SAFE Club. The SAFE Club stands for Students Advocating for Equity. The SAFE Club promotes social justice throughout our school, and they're working to spread awareness for all minority groups, including people of color, people with disabilities, LGBTQ+ community, and more. If you join the SAFE Club, you get to work on projects to promote equity throughout the school and our community, and you get to have open discussions that may seem too controversial to have in a classroom. You can also ask anonymous questions about community issues or just questions you would like to get answered. If you are interested in joining the SAFE Club, contact Mrs. Ormond or Essence Fleming and they can give you more information.
Even though people like Martin Luther King Jr. paved the way by advocating for civil rights and protesting for equality, their work is not yet complete. We must take it upon ourselves to continue fighting the battle of eradicating racism.
Please take what you've seen in this video and be mindful. Stop turning a blind eye when you hear a racist or rude comment. Make an effort to educate yourself and others about systemic racism and how racism isn't just on a person-to-person level. Be safe and take care.